that when we cut kangkong, it can grow again, and when we cut it again, it will grow again.
The Edible Garden project actually, it's one where we grow our own fruits and vegetables, and then we harvest what we've grown, and then we actually sell it to the parents. We also consume it ourselves.
种植过程来是小朋友接触自然的一种方式吧，他们在种植的过程中也享受，也从中学习。然后我们从开始一粒种子下去，然后他们就看到种子发芽，然后最后长成蔬菜，然后他们去捡那个蔬菜，看那个过程，是他们真的很享受的一个过程。种植的过程中，他们有学到泥土。他们有触摸，还有各种各样的种子，还有怎么去浇水啊、泥土啊，以及一些工具，它们产生的一些作用。所以这些就是平常他们在书本上可能触碰不到的。我也跟小朋友们也是学到很多，他们对待菜的时候也是很温柔。其实我觉得种植是一种有温度、带着情感的一种过程。他们可以感受植物从小长到大，然后我有时候也不懂，然后就从网络上学，跟家长请教，然后看书，因为避免他们小朋友一个种的东西出不来，他们也会有感觉，所以我们老师也在学，他们也在学，我们就一起学习。
Well, Sonshine has been around for more than 20 years. And we've seen entire families walk through our doors. We have values-based education approach, which means that we don't only teach children the values during curriculum hours, but we believe that the values are taught during teachable moments as well. Yeah, and these are lifelong values that will carry through. So, we believe that we need to expose our children, that the children's learning shouldn't be confined to the classroom, and the children should go out to the community and meet different people and have various interactions, because they learn a lot through mingling with other people as well. So when we go for nature walks, we actually meet the neighborhood uncle who actually plays the violin for the kids, and sometimes he tries to teach them how to play the violin. And also, like during National Day, we go out and we give the neighbors or whoever the passers-by in the neighborhood like a packet drink, and we wish them well. Yeah, so these are some little ways that we want to reach out to the people in the neighborhood. We want to teach children that you need to get to know different people, and you need to show a bit more compassion and show that kindness and appreciation as well for the people who make things happen and make learning possible for the children.
Come, we are still in.
I want to go to school every Saturday, but my mom say no.
I like school too, so I can see my friend and play with my friend.